Hi, hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Chachana Creation. And today we are going to unboxing
Box from an Amazon. I don't know what has been there in the box. Come on, we'll unbox and we'll get to know what is inside it. It's a scale model car inside this box. Come on, we'll peel up the wrapper and see what model car is this. I think it's a Chevrolet brand. I don't know what model is this. First we'll peel up the wrapper and we'll see what car is this. It's a Chevrolet Impala, awesome in finishing. It's having a chrome grille and white line tires,
and it's having a beautiful chrome bumpers. It's having a beautiful headlights and indicators with a front grille.
It's really awesome, and it's a tail light. It's completely a different model. And in this car we have front two doors are openable, and I think it's a pullback car, and it's having a logo at the back side. We have a complete detailed structure of the interior. Wow, even we are having gear knobs attached in the steering.
Stay tuned with us for the next video. Until then, bye from Chachana Creation. Thanks for watching this video, and please do support our channel by clicking the subscribe button.